Hi, welcome back to Dragon's Kitchen. Today I will be making an Açaí smoothie bowl. If you guys want to know my recipe, well, you're in the correct zone. So today I will be coating it with coconut. We'll be topping it with coconut flakes. I will be topping it with almond flakes. I will be topping it with dragon fruit, and I will be topping it with blueberries. So I will be using an Açaí superfood pack. So I will be using one. So I will be using a triple berry blend that consists of blueberries, blackberries, and red raspberries. Now you can just freeze your blueberries if you want, but if you already have them frozen, it's better. So let me show you. Okay. So this is what I will be using. I will put this in the blender. So we will be using about, we want to use more. Okay, so I will be using 1 cup of half and half. 1 cup of half and half. Okay, so this cream is so versatile, so delicious. Okay, this is a very good cream for dessert. Okay, it's so delicious, and I recommend using this cream if you want to have like a pastel purple color to your acai bowl. This is what I will be using, crema Mexicana from LALA, and I will be using 1 cup. Okay, so as you can see, I filled it up. Okay. Okay, so I will be using 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I will be using 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Okay. So now we're going to blend it.
Mamma mia. Mmm.